Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. Today, we're going to learn how to use the present simple tense correctly. Let's get started. When do we use present simple? Habitual actions. I drink coffee every morning. She goes to school by bus. Facts/truths. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Schedules/timetables. The train leaves at 8 a.m. The class starts at 10 o'clock. How to form present simple. Positive sentences. Subject plus base verb. Examples. I play football. He plays football. Add s for he, she/it. Negative sentences. Subject plus do/does plus not plus base verb. Examples. I do not, don't play football. She does not, doesn't play football. Questions. Do/does plus subject plus base verb. Examples. Do you play football? Does she play football? Common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting the s for he, she/it. He play football. He plays football. Using the wrong auxiliary verb. Does she plays football? Does she play football? Here are 100 sentences using the present simple tense, divided into different categories. Habitual actions, daily routines. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She brushes her teeth after breakfast. She brushes her teeth after breakfast. He goes to the gym twice a week. He goes to the gym twice a week. We watch TV in the evening. We watch TV in the evening. They visit their grandparents on Sundays. They visit their grandparents on Sundays. I always drink coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee in the morning. She rarely eats fast food. She rarely eats fast food. He often plays football with his friends. He often plays football with his friends. They never miss a meeting. They never miss a meeting. We usually take the bus to work. We usually take the bus to work. Facts and universal truths. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius. Ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius. The moon reflects the sun's light. The moon reflects the sun's light. Dogs bark when they are scared. Dogs bark when they are scared. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. Plants grow with sunlight and water. Plants grow with sunlight and water. A year has 12 months. A year has 12 months. The heart pumps blood through the body. The heart pumps blood through the body. Scheduled events/timetables. The train leaves at 9 a.m. every day. The train leaves at 9 a.m. every day. The school starts at 8 a.m. The school starts at 8 a.m. The flight departs at 3 p.m. The flight departs at 3 p.m. The library opens at 10 a.m. on weekdays. The library opens at 10 a.m. on weekdays. The bus arrives at the station at 5 p.m. The bus arrives at the station at 5 p.m. My favorite TV show airs on Fridays. My favorite TV show airs on Fridays. The store closes at 9 p.m. The store closes at 9 p.m. The concert begins at 7 p.m. The concert begins at 7 p.m. The movie starts at noon. The movie starts at noon. The gym closes at 10 p.m. The gym closes at 10 p.m. Positive sentences. I read books every night. I read books every night. She loves chocolate. She loves chocolate. He works in an office. He works in an office. They play basketball every weekend. They play basketball every weekend. We enjoy traveling to new places. We enjoy traveling to new places. I always wear a jacket in winter. I always wear a jacket in winter. She speaks 3 languages fluently. She speaks 3 languages fluently. He listens to music during his commute. He listens to music during his commute. We cook dinner together on Saturdays. We cook dinner together on Saturdays. They exercise every morning. They exercise every morning. Negative sentences. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. She doesn't eat meat. She doesn't eat meat. He doesn't drink coffee. He doesn't drink coffee. They don't watch horror movies. They don't watch horror movies. We don't go out on weekdays. We don't go out on weekdays. I don't enjoy cold weather. I don't enjoy cold weather. She doesn't speak German. She doesn't speak German. He doesn't play video games. He doesn't play video games. They don't own a car. They don't own a car. We don't listen to loud music. We don't listen to loud music. Questions. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Does she play the piano? Does she play the piano? Do they live in New York? Do they live in New York? Does he study at university? Does he study at university? Do we need more sugar? Do we need more sugar? Does your friend know the answer? Does your friend know the answer? Do the kids go to bed early? Do the kids go to bed early? Does the train stop here? Does the train stop here? Do you visit your parents often? Do you visit your parents often? Does he have a pet? Does he have a pet? Verbs with he, she, /it. He studies English every day. He studies English every day. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. It rains a lot in the winter. It rains a lot in the winter. He writes emails in the morning. He writes emails in the morning. She dances like a professional. She dances like a professional. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. She teaches at a primary school. She teaches at a primary school. It smells delicious. It smells delicious. He runs 5 kilometers every day. He runs 5 kilometers every day. Adverbs of frequency. I always eat breakfast before work. I always eat breakfast before work. She usually takes a nap in the afternoon. She usually takes a nap in the afternoon. He often forgets his keys. He often forgets his keys. We sometimes go hiking on weekends. We sometimes go hiking on weekends. They rarely eat out. They rarely eat out. I never skip my workouts. I never skip my workouts. She always carries a water bottle. She always carries a water bottle. He usually arrives on time. He usually arrives on time. We sometimes bake cookies. We sometimes bake cookies. They never argue. They never argue. Common mistakes, correct usage. She speaks English well. She speaks English well. He likes coffee, not tea. He likes coffee, not tea. It doesn't snow in the summer. It doesn't snow in the summer. Do you know his name? Do you know his name? He doesn't have a bike. He doesn't have a bike. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. Does she call you every day? Does she call you every day? They don't need help. They don't need help. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. She writes poems in her free time. She writes poems in her free time. Mixed examples. I walk to work every day. I walk to work every day. She calls her mom on weekends. She calls her mom on weekends. He doesn't enjoy reading novels. He doesn't enjoy reading novels. Do they visit the park often? Do they visit the park often? It tastes sweet, doesn't it? It tastes sweet, doesn't it? We meet at the cafe every Friday. We meet at the cafe every Friday. He doesn't travel during the winter. He doesn't travel during the winter. She works as a software developer. She works as a software developer. Do you exercise in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning? The cat sleeps on the couch. The cat sleeps on the couch. We're going to test your knowledge of the present simple tense with some fun multiple choice questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Write your answers in the comments below. Let's begin. How many questions did you get right? Write your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Learning for more fun lessons and quizzes. See you next time.
Bye!